Now that I've learned how to tune an ukulele, I'd like to learn the chords of an ukulele. So I'm going to type the chords of an ukulele. I always grew up saying it ukulele, so I found out later that it's ukulele. Ukulele. And let's see if these make sense and which one I want to look at. How many am I going to need? For my song, I need a D and an A7. So most likely I need to get one that's going to show at least A7. And that looks like this one. This chart does a pretty decent job of showing where those fingerings are at. So the A7 is here. I just put down the second string over between the first fret and the end board right here. And then the D is these three strings are between the first fret and the second fret. Like that is what I believe I'm understanding. I might need to think through the notes as well. So if I'm doing an A7 and I change the C to a D, and it's got the A, D, a G, and an E. All right. These are the chords. Here we go.